They canceled all of our flights. This feels so surreal. Don't mind how I look crazy right now. Oh, that's so cute.
Know this song.
Good morning, guys. So it is currently my last day at this hotel. Technically, it was supposed to be my last day here. Whoa, what does that water have? What is happening? Don't see that. Whoa. Hold on, my battery's about to die. So, good morning, you guys. It is currently Saturday, January 24. I know my hair looks kind of crazy right now. I don't know what to do with it, honestly. She just... I don't know. I'm going to put her in a bun, actually. Long story short... Actually, I'm going to give y'all the long story. Flip it. We were supposed to check out of our hotel today at 12 p.m. And then we were going to start going to the airport from where we are. Because right now we're staying in Reñaca. And the airport is located in Santiago, which is more or less like between 2 or 3 hour drive there. It really just depends on traffic, and especially since we were gonna go at 6 p.m. like that would be hella traffic. So it's more like 3 hour drive, right? So basically we're supposed to do that, leave here 6 p.m., go to the airport, and then our flight was going to be at 11:30 p.m. and then we were gonna land in New York at 8:30 a.m. on Sunday. However, because of the whole like snowstorm situation, we can't land in New York, like, because that's just like not safe or whatever. So basically they canceled all of our flights, and it was like crazy because I found that out yesterday while I was in Valpo I was with Kathleen, Amira, and Maya. We were all in Valpo and we were trying to look for souvenirs, and literally when we bought like cookies, I think it was called like this like fat kid store, I don't know, like it was kind of funny, but literally one of them gets an email like that their flight got canceled, and then that they had to reschedule it or whatever, cancel it. And then, because mind you guys, I have been living this whole time without internet, so like my phone only works on Wi-Fi, and even then like it's kind of like iffy because I can't really call people on my phone unless it's like through Instagram or like WhatsApp, because I don't know, it's just weird. It's weird, like some people I can call through my regular phone number, but some people I can't. It's like iffy, but whatever. And so literally immediately like the professor texted me in the group chat like, okay, we're gonna rebook our flights for like this specific date. So we were gonna fly out, we're gonna extend our trip. Well, right now we actually have no hotel to stay at. My professor's still figuring that out because we can't stay at this hotel any longer, because for Chile right now it's like their summertime, so like they already have all of our rooms booked for like new people, because this is like their vacation time, you know. So the professor's still figuring out what she's gonna do about what hotel we're gonna be staying at, because there were a couple of options whether we could stay at a hotel here by the beach still, or one in Santiago, which is like would be closer to the airport. And to give you guys kind of like a reference of Santiago, Santiago's kind of like a city life, y'all. Like it's very much like, because okay, there have been a couple of times that I've been to Santiago and I've done stuff, but the thing is I rarely ever filmed in Santiago, because one thing about there, it's very much, because okay, think about it kind of like New York, you know, when people get like pickpocketed, like that's very much the vibe there. Like it doesn't look like New York, but it's very much giving New York in the sense that like there's a lot more, basically in Santiago, like people steal a lot. They'll like snatch your jewelry off and like whatnot. Like they, like I remember my professor was saying how like they will like pass themselves as like Uber drivers or like delivery drivers on like a motorcycle, and then just like take your phone, take your stuff. So we had to be super careful, which is why I rarely filmed in Santiago, even though I did a lot of fun stuff. I tried to when I could, but for the most part I really didn't try to risk it, you know. So I just realized I got on a tangent. Anyways, we were supposed to book our flights for Tuesday night at 11 o'clock p.m. and then come back. It was like a one-way flight, whatever, like no layover, no nothing, and then arrive in New York like 8 a.m. on Wednesday morning. However, some people were able to get that flight, but it sold out pretty quickly. And also too, basically my flight, right, had a partner, what's it called, a partner airline, a partnering airline. They were partnering with an airline, so like I booked it through an airline where like it wasn't their plane, it was like another brand's plane, but like you could still buy it through their website. I don't know, it was weird. Anyway, whatever. So that made it super complicated. And mind you guys, I'm in Valpo. Like I was trying to connect to my friend's cellular data, which like thank goodness for her, but like, so like it was not working. Like everybody literally was like changing their flight super quickly, and then I was freaking out because I was like, bro, I still don't have my flight. So we ended up having to come back pretty early, well, earlier than we wanted to. I was like, bro, like I rather like be safe than sorry. Like I want to get my flight back like ASAP because this is like kind of ridiculous, you know. So we came back, and then we found out that that whole plane got booked, and then I was like, bruh. So I was like, what's the next option? The next option was still to fly out on Tuesday night. I think it was like something like some weird like 5-minute time difference. I think it was like 10:55 we have to leave or something like that. Oh, we're gonna have a layover. We're gonna land in Miami. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna land in Miami, stay there for like I think 2 hours, and then from Miami to New York, and we're gonna still arrive at 8 a.m. Girl, I don't understand the freaking time differences here, because with this, hopefully I'm actually able to like sleep on the plane, at least like the first one, bro. Hold on, wait. Let me get my glasses, y'all. Oh my gosh. Honestly, when I found out that our freaking flight got rebooked, I was honestly pretty upset, and I was like low-key like freaking out on the inside. Like I was trying not to like show that, I guess, but it's just, I feel like I've been said this to you guys, like when the time comes to leave, like I will be ready, like I will be like happy with like everything that I did. And it's just like, I'm excited to go back to my life. I'm excited to just go back to the gym every single day. I'm excited to again get like all my macros in again, because I'm done with this. I'm done, y'all. But I'm gonna try to see this as like a blessing in disguise, that there's more stuff for me to see, there's more stuff for me to do. So I'm definitely gonna make the best out of my time here. So it's like a 3 extra days. It's currently 9:46. So what my room's looking like, y'all. It's low-key looks like a mess, but honestly my head is like kind of organized right now, because it's like a lot better than whatever was happening yesterday. I pretty much packed everything, you guys. I still have yet to get like a lot of souvenirs for people, but this is my dirty laundry because that's dirty. This is all my stuff I need to pack inside there. These are my headphones. They're gonna go inside my purse. These are not my shirts. I'm gonna give them to my friends again. My 2 water bottles. I'm not gonna bring these back to the States, but because we are gonna be staying in Chile for another 3 nights, like I'm gonna need to drink water, so I'm just gonna take them to the hotel, and then once I leave Chile, these bottles are being thrown out. Y'all already know I have my big ass black jug, which I miss so much. But these rocks, you guys, I got them at the Rio in one of my vlogs, y'all. The one that we went to like the whole hike and we saw the like the waterfall. This is where I got them from. They're super cute. I'm gonna see which ones I take though, because like they definitely like weigh something, you know. Like I don't want rocks to be taking up space in my luggage, but I also do want to take them, so I don't know. And then y'all, oh my god, this color's still wet. Fuck me. I'm not flip me. So okay, my sneakers are already dried. This stuff is drying because I don't know the order like in what this video is gonna come out in relation to like my podcast episodes, but basically I gotta throw up on my clothes just to keep it simple. I gotta throw up on my clothes. We love you guys. That was actually not fun and insane, but anyways, so I'm gonna finish packing up here just like the little stuff, and then I'm gonna go downstairs to go grab breakfast with one of my friends because he has ground beef in his dorm and I literally have nothing. Well, everything's officially packed. I have my bags on. I don't know where my passport is, y'all. So wait, guys, this feels so surreal. Like I'm not gonna see this view anymore, y'all. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, no, but everything's already done, like trash. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is actually insane. Like I feel like it's hitting me now that like this is happening, but anyways, you guys, all right, I gotta take this water bottle. My flip-flops. Oh, they're Kitlees. I forgot. Okay, I'll take them.
I got you then. I have like a bag of stuff that's like for not us.
Okay, because
like,
I also okay.
If you have anything for like from like Val or Mosh too, this is just where I throw all their stuff.
I put it in my luggage. I'll give them to him later then. Okay, let me just fill up my water bottle real quick.
Yeah.
Crossing this bridge, y'all. Hey girl, hey. Oh.
What's up? Come on.
I'm not going to your room, bro.
No one's going.
Nobody can walk to go to your room.
You could have been like, oh no.
How do you go in?
As you can see, we have our own.
How do you go in?
Wait,
Oh, she said put it in. Then
I did.
take it out, and then once it turns green,
Loki, can I see it?
Wait, how do you do this?
put it in. Okay, take it out, and then push.
Yeah.
There.
Guys, this is our room. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ow!
I'm dead.
This looks very studious. What the flip? We have a full body mirror here. What the?
Oh, finally.
This is crazy. Oh my god.
It's opposite.
Really?
Yeah, like everything's just reversed.
This is crazy. Hold on, I need to see myself.
See you guys.
Alright, ciao. Guys. Wow. First time sharing a room this whole trip.
Oh my god, right? You never had a roomie.
Yeah, this is so fun. Not gonna lie, I did want to be with somebody. Cause like, I don't know, I just never.
I get the experience for 2 days.
No, literally. Actually 3, cause the other hotel.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
right.
Do you want to take this bed or?
I can take this one.
Okay, okay. Okay. We have a big TV. What? Actually, let me just put my luggage over here, cause at the end of the day, I don't really care about it. For right now. This is pretty cool. I like this. It's giving like studious vibes. This is the bathroom. Don't mind how I look. I look kind of crazy right now. But they have cups here, hair dryer. They have hand soap.
Look at the shower head. It's
Like-
like one of those fancy ones.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna shower every day here. Oh, they even have body wash. Bro, why didn't the other hotel have this?
The other hotel had like a tiny, tiny shampoo bottle that was like this big.
Bro, no, but even like they didn't have hand soap. They had like, I mean, they did. It was
They had like a bar soap.
those
thing.
bars, and it felt like it made your hands feel funny
It
afterwards.
was like dry.
It was not cute. Also, I'm gonna show you guys that Chile's built on a hill. This is up this hill. We're gonna go to La Casa Verde. I still look kind of crazy. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so beautiful. What? Guys, we just stopped by this shop inside. It's so pretty in here. And it's like pretty good prices. Like this cup is literally 18. Like that is pretty good. Alright, so for appetizers we had these potatoes with a Greek yogurt mixture and clams with cheese. These clams were so good, you guys, and this mango juice. It was like, okay, whatever. But back to the clams, y'all. Those clams, bro, I've never had clams here in New York. I don't think I ever will, because these clams were so freaking good. I don't know what they had. It was like some sort of cheese, but not gonna lie, I think they got me sick, or it was the beef that I had later on, but it was one of the two, bro. I'm like, bad.
I was looking at the view on Google, and I was like, wait, our hotel is so low. Like, how can I get up there? I was like, oh, it's so close. We're at 5,000 fucking stuff.
No, literally. No, but the stairs are literally like an evacuation route. I'm like, oh.
Maybe for like tsunamis, maybe?
Like for them, it's like normal. Like it's preferred to use the elevator than the stairs.
Oh,
Because
that
when I
elevator thing.
asked him where the stairs are, he looked at me confused. Ooh, I don't know when the work is there. I was like, oh, it's this one. Like, but it literally said evacuation route. So I don't think people typically use their stairs. You don't use the stairs? I don't think so. He looked at me like I was crazy. And he's like, did you mean like the elevator? And I was like, no, the stairs. Future Gisell here. So if you guys didn't get what I was trying to say, I'm gonna try to recap it. Okay, so basically what I was trying to say was that at our hotel right now in Valparaiso, right, there's like 8 floors and a lot of people go through the elevators, right? And so, but when I first got there, I was like telling the man like, hey, like where are the staircases? Because I wanted to get my steps in. Like that's just me, bro. That's just me, right? And then that's why I said like, oh, he looked at me confused because he's like, oh, the stairs are here, but like it literally said evacuation route. So that's what I was trying to say. Like I feel like people here don't normally take the stairs. They usually take the elevators or something because it literally said evacuation route on it. Like it wasn't just a regular staircase. You know what I mean? So yeah. Gracias. Wow, this rice looks good. I love how they didn't overpower the rice.
Yeah. Your food look overpowering though.
That looks good. Si quieres te doy mi carne.
Es la misma carne, güey.
Let me try the rice. Like, oh. Olives in here? It has like the essence of something. Like, lo cocinaron con olives, probably. I mean, the bistec. Yeah, my man, I got this. It's very basic.
You like them? No.
Okay.
It's regular.
Wanna try?
Is that a gnocchi?
Let me give it to you.
Right. sorry.
That was my last pill, the one that I took yesterday. I'm not risking that shit.
Gracias.
How you decide?
No quiero tu carne.
Take it to me.
That's a meal right there.
I guess I'm just a picky person.
No. Esto sabe mucho mejor que la otra vez. La otra vez yo también agarré gnocchi y estaba bien salado. I don't like my rice. It's like it's a lot of water. Let me see if it tastes better with the cream.
What do you think?
I mean, it's not good. I love the gnocchi. I feel like it tastes better than the rice. Tell me now.
It tastes better than the rice.
Yeah.
I have the same expression as you. It's like,
It's like crema.
let me try the rice.
Is that bad? I gotta push it down.
We should have just ordered a bunch of appetizers.
These are very cute. Think about it. You can use steps in. Looks like it's a festival down there. No, yeah. Ask Professor Paula. So it is currently Wednesday. Last night was crazy. I didn't go to sleep until like 3, I want to say. And I feel like I low-key have like a sore throat right now. So we're gonna go get some breakfast right now from downstairs because this hotel actually does have free breakfast downstairs. But I'm putting a hoodie because I have a sore throat and I don't want to make it like worse or anything like that. I think this was better. Okay. Guys, so my throat was really hurting here, but I tried filming this cute little breakfast montage thing. I'm sorry for being wobbly. I'm just not doing well. And here's me choking because my friend Kevin stared at me and I got awkward. And here's my breakfast.
This is so amazing. Oh my god, I'm gonna shed a tear. Oh, and barbecue sauce. Yeah, they asked me what salad. I was like, chili salad. It's just the tomatoes and onions.
That's like Greek, right?
So raw.
This white rice is so good. It makes me miss my mom. Oh my god, my
Kind
mom
of
is the
professional on
best.
the grill.
Aquí hay unos pepinitos.
Oh, muchísimas gracias.
Mil gracias.
Ya.
Gracias.
¿Ustedes no van a comer?
No, tranquilo, estamos ahí. Síganse nomás, tranquilito usted.
I'll give you one. Here you go.
How's the hot sauce?
I'll give you another one.
Oh, thank you. No, it's okay.
Because I realized I looked.
Quiero que...
This rice feels so right.
Ya, pues ahora la están calentando. Sí.
Limón y sal.
¿Sí?
Muchos de mi grupo se habían enfermado.
Sí.
Yo, everybody who's feeling sick, this food is going to heal them.
Not for real. I was feeling low-key homesick.
I'm feeling homesick too, and then I walked into this house and I went, okay, this is nice.
Mayoría de niños.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
They really do. They really do.
There's a salt if anybody wants, I think.
Salsa picante.
I took a pool.
I like spice, but not too much. Wow.
Bro, we've been spreading our germs like all over everybody.
Yes, pásame un pedacito de carne. Cualquiera.
¿Con carne?
You got it?
Bueno, yo. Cualquiera.
Cualquiera de las tres. ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Con comida?
Tomates.
No, ya tengo más.
Ahí te falta. Ahí la estoy
I have to use my hand. Yeah. It's good, right?
It smells good.
Who was the group that went to karaoke? Or if you wanted to take over and just put like the karaoke spot, or you put the Ferris wheel like website, someone called you. I accidentally hung up.
By hour, 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. and then they do line up.
Did we go to the museum?
Am I in there?
Palacio?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's on the slide deck. I don't know which one. Yeah, there's a lot of historical sites.
In retrospect.
Yeah.
We'll get them.
Bien, gracias. Ah, gracias, gracias.
Like the Inculama visit.
Hold on, Bose.
Wait, can I try the chocolate cookies?
They're crunchy. Oh, thanks.
The cookies are really good. And then the future.
They're crunchier than the berries. The berries are soft.
Oh, so tiny.
Yeah.
They look like little ice
Another place I wanted to
that are
visit
like.
Congress.
They look like the little cookie cereals. You guys are about to say, yeah.
Like, I think they were called like Cookie Crisps, with like that box or whatever. It was.
Yeah. I'll go berry one.
Me too.
Because if we were in like a hotel that we're in now,
It would have been horrible.
¿Estabas tú grabando?
Sí.
Ya, no alcanzó.
Okay. I'll take it over. Hold on.
I know this song.
Yeah.
La galleta.
Oh, which ones? Which one do you want, Luna?
I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the new hotel. I look sound depressed because my throat hurts, but 3 closets. Whoa. Oh wait, I don't know how to turn on this light. How do you turn on the bathroom light? Oh, never mind. Damn. A nice shower. Bruh, this is like way better than the first one we had, and it's the same franchise, y'all. Little cups. A little toilet. 3 camas. And my bed's over here, y'all. We need to find out. And this is my view, y'all. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so tired.
Always smell like hair relaxer.
How you feeling? Bro, Why are you vlogging?
Let me change this.
That look bad.
You look red, like very red, like pomegranate.
Show your face.
Who the hell is that?
Huh?
You're gonna be like, who the hell is that? Oh, you look so adorable. Oh, we gotta wait for Michelle. Oh.
You know what you look like?
Ooh.
Like the moms take like, ooh, their first day of school photo.
Like this so you can see the duck.
It's a doggy. Let me see.
It's a duck.
Oh, it's cute.
2 hours later.
I'm just gonna carry the medicine. Can you? Oh, hold on. Guys, we are going to the movie theater. I'm sick, so that's why I'm wearing a mask. I just don't want to be sick on the plane because I have a layover, and I just want to not be sick. Also too because, bro, when we go back, I don't want like the cold to like make me sick again, you know? So because of that, we are going to be going to the movie theater right now so we can like chill, or at least try to, but it's a big ass mall. Look. A really bougie mall, look.
Pero es por eso que, en lugar de ser sincero y solo admitir que tú eres lo mejor que me ha pasado.
Guys, we just left the movie theater. I'm gonna talk really close to the camera because I don't know if y'all can hear me, but there's a big ass bitch, y'all. Like, bro, I want it. It's so weird. Y'all, look at that. Y'all. Well, you can't even see them now, bruh. Damn. Oh, there's one going up right now. All the way over there. Those two dogs. We were on that the other day.